Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of the Dividend Doggo Show here on YouTube, where I am taking you through the portfolio and showing you exactly how my portfolio functions and operates week to week and what I'm investing in every single week. This is the weekly update for the end of May. I cannot believe this month is gone. It's been a great month. The stock market didn't really want to cooperate last week. You'll see that here in the weekly results, but today is the 29th of May, so this will be the last video update for May, and then you will get a new video the 1st of June. I'm going to be getting out the total earned dividends for the entire month of May. So you'll have another video in about 2 days, but I do just want to show you exactly what the performance was for the week, and if you had guessed that it was in the red, you would be correct. So we're in the red just over $5,000 for this week. We did have a little bit of dividends coming in. Those will get paid out in the beginning of June. Yeah, $5,000 in the red. I've seen this portfolio go much further in the red. I'm not too worried about it. All in all, you can see that a large portion of it came from healthcare and utilities. Everybody's favorite stock, VST, being down again this week. Interestingly enough, we did a buy this week, and it was in VST. I told myself this position was big enough. I had too much in it. I'm overweight already. No, I'm just going to keep buying. If the price keeps going down, it's still a good stock. It's still a good value. Expecting it's still a decent dividend raise at the beginning of next year. I'm not sure that they'll meet the expectation of what their plan was for last year. They did give us an 11% even with all of the Uri snowstorm stuff, and I apologize for the noises. That would be Doggo up on the deck trying to play with squirrels. So the overall stock, it is down for the week. You can see here I have, after the buy, about 63 more shares. So this wasn't a huge buy, but it was a little buy. I added about 1% to the portfolio. So yeah, is what it is. Buying it at a 3.3-ish dividend yield. It's pretty solid all the way around. I'm looking forward to this one rebounding up and being very much in the green. I think as we get closer to the end of the year and the money just keeps flowing into the company, that we'll see it come up. AbbVie was down a little bit. Not too worried about this. I mean, overall, when I look at AbbVie, we're very much in the green on this stock. It's earned $6,400 in dividends, almost $6,500. It's earning $29,000, almost $500 in market gains. I'm not really concerned if AbbVie fluctuates like it did. 2.5% really doesn't concern me that much. I'm looking for the big, 15, 20%, 30% drops, because that's when you want to really unload the truck and, buy more shares. And I would consider buying more shares of AbbVie if it dropped 30, 40%. You pay up for premium and quality, and you're already getting a healthy dividend with that. But overall, the consumer pie was down just a little bit. Mo was down a little bit this week, but almost everything else was up. I'm going to be wishing I had bought more Lowe's, because I believe they just announced like a 30% dividend raise. I really do need to escalate the purchases of this position over the next month. I need to put a little bit more into Lowe's and get that built up a little bit now that I have Home Depot up to 20K. I don't know if I'll take Lowe's to 20K right away, but I definitely will try to get it up to at least like 5 to 10K over the next 2 months. So there's a little preview into the future and what Doggo is going to be purchasing. I guess since I already talked about the buy, I should show you the trades. So we got some money flowing into the account. We're setting up to do some buy orders and figure out what we're going to pick up. Yeah, it's VST. I did the buy order on, I believe, what was this, Thursday morning. We picked up 62.65 shares at 16.24, meaning that it did promptly drop almost to $15 a share. 15.97, I think, was the low right after I bought it. So I'm pretty good at that. A couple of the guys in Joseph Carlson's Discord have asked me to let them know when I'm going to do buys so that they can buy afterwards, because it seems like every time I buy the stock, it tanks. So yeah, we're going to move on here. Como Money's doing fine. Everything else across the board is looking very good and green for the week. Real estate was up, which was kind of surprising. Yeah, so that's kind of the portfolio performance over the next week. I'm just going to do more of the same. Deposit money, buy stocks. Consistency is key to investing, regardless of what you're picking to invest in. If you're just investing in index funds like SCHD, do it. Just be consistent. Try to fund some extra money and get it deposited in and get those dividends. As you can see, like $12.87 rolled in. That's going to get deployed next week with whatever buy I end up doing. It'll probably be Lowe's. Spoiler alert. Loving it. I don't know what else to say other than I hope that everyone is being consistent with their investing. I do want to say a thank you to everyone who has liked, commented, subscribed to the videos recently. I'm absolutely floored that we're over 550 subscribers. I'm literally just a dog on a YouTube channel showing you a portfolio and what it's doing and how I'm doing it. And piece by piece, brick by brick, every single week, we build this thing up, and eventually it's going to pay all the bills through dividends. Thank you very much again for watching. I do greatly appreciate all of you, and I will see you again very soon for the next video update on the dividends collected for May. Thank you very much for watching.